Bangladesh Premier League 2025-26. In the final match, two finalists Rajshahi Warriors vs Chattogram Royals. Match played at Sherebangla National Stadium, Mirpur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Chattogram Royals won the toss, elected to field first. Rajshahi Warriors 20 overs, 174 runs, lost by 4 wickets. Tanjid Hassan is the highest scorer, 100 runs, 62 balls. Then Chattogram Royals' best bowling spell, Mukidul Islam, 4 overs, no maiden, 20 runs, 2 wickets taken. Chattogram Royals 17.5 overs, 111 runs, all out. Mirza Beg is the highest scorer, 39 runs, 36 balls. Then Rajshahi Warriors' best bowling spell, Binura Fernando, 3 overs, no medal, 9 runs, 4 wickets taken. Rajshahi Warriors won by 63 runs in this match. Player of the match, Tanjid Hassan. Player of the series, Shariful Islam. Congratulations, Rajshahi Warriors.